Let's dive in. Today's all about Flash USDT. You know USDT, the stablecoin pegged to the dollar. Flash USDT is its temporary short-term cousin. It shows up in your wallet like regular USDT but only lasts for a set period. Why use it? You get a large temporary crypto balance for a small fee, perfect for showing a big wallet balance or testing platforms. Pricing is simple. Pay $100, get $2,000 in Flash USDT. $200 gets you $5,000 and so on. No hidden fees. You're not gambling on price swings. You're getting a tool for a specific purpose, with clear costs. Whether you want to test the waters or need a bigger sum, the process is direct and beginner-friendly. Let's break down how it works and why it might be right for you. Flash USDT is all about simplicity and transparency. What you see is what you get. What sets Flash USDT apart? First, it's fully tradable. You can send it between wallets just like regular USDT. It works on major platforms like Binance and Trust Wallet, so no need for special apps. If your wallet supports USDT, TRC20, it supports Flash USDT. Use cases? It's popular for meeting balance requirements on certain platforms, including some betting sites. Just remember, always check the rules of any platform you use. The best part? Flash USDT lasts 180 days, 6 months to use it however you want. That long validity means you're never rushed. It's a practical, flexible tool for a range of needs. Here's how your first deal works. No upfront payment required. Step 1. Send your USDT, TRC20 wallet address, no private keys, just the public address. Step 2. We generate and send the agreed Flash USDT amount to your wallet. You see it arrive in real time. Step 3. Once you confirm the funds are there, send us a screenshot as proof, then make your payment. Only after you've verified everything do you pay. This proof-first approach means zero risk for you. You're always in control. See the product before you pay. It's the safest, most transparent way to get started. To recap: 1. Send your wallet address. 1. Receive Flash USDT. 1. Pay only after you confirm it's in your wallet. That's it, simple and secure. Trust is everything in crypto, and our no advance payment policy proves it. We send you Flash USDT first. If it doesn't work, you don't pay. Our track record? Tons of satisfied clients who started just like you. You verify the funds in your own wallet before paying. No pressure, no uncertainty. Ready to try? Just contact us on WhatsApp and an admin will walk you through the tester deal. Ask questions, get instant help, and see Flash USDT in your wallet risk-free. Take the first step. It's easy, transparent, and totally in your control. Thanks for watching. Reach out to learn more.